How to change name in AWS account. In this video, I'll show you how to change name in AWS account. So to get started, go ahead and open AWS into your browser and then sign in into your AWS account. So once you're signed into your account, go ahead and click on your name, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So you'll find the drop down under that. So from there, click on account. So that will take you to the account settings. And then on the account settings, you'll be able to find this button at the top right of your account details. So click on actions on the account details section and then select update account name. And then after that, you'll be able to change your AWS account name. And then once you have entered the new name that you want to use, you can go ahead and click on the save button at the bottom right of the specific area to save the changes that you've made. So take note that the account name must consist only of printable ASC2 characters, excluding the greater than and less than, and it must be 1 to 50 characters long only, excluding leading or trailing white space. So make sure to enter the new name that you have in mind in here and then click on the save button to save the changes. And that is how you can basically change name in AWS account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.